Hey, welcome back to Auntiescakery. It's been a while. Ooh, have I got a surprise for you? Marvelous Molds sent me these PinchPro Pearl molds to try out. So this video is basically a product review. I've only done a couple of these before, so I hope you like it. These PinchPro Pearls from Marvelous Molds come in a cute little package like this. And there's a little open spot at the bottom. Of course, my fingers are fumbling. I'm having a little bit of a hard time opening that, but it should be pretty easy to open. Take that package right off. Now to feel the mold. I love touching things. The silicone felt sturdy and strong and really quality. And look, this is why they call it PinchPro. So cute. It also comes with a set of easy to follow instructions. Now I get to try it out. The fondant I'm using is a little bit stiff, but I didn't add any Tylose powder to it. And when I roll my log, I want it to be slightly larger than the mold itself. The first thing to do is cover this mold in cornstarch. Also, I'm going to open it up and make sure I get cornstarch in all the itty bitty cracks. Shake that excess out. I don't want big blobs of cornstarch later on. Then I'll take this mold, open it up, and position it right onto that log. Open, place it on. Open, place it on, all the way to the end. Then I'm gonna smush the fondant into the mold. What a funny word, smush. Then comes the fun part, pinching. I'm going to pinch the top of those molds as if I'm pinching the globes closed. Chef Dominic, the one who invented these molds, he says it looks like a fish fin, but I think it looks more like the back of a stegosaurus. What do you think? Next, I'm going to take my palette knife and just cut the excess fondant off. No cutting the silicone with a sharp knife, guys. We want it to stay nice and beautiful. Then I pinch it slightly to loosen up those beads. Then I'm going to tip it over, pinch it again, and let them fall out. Oh, there they go! They're so round and pretty! Oh geez, I got a part where I didn't cornstarch enough and it's sticking! Now that they're all out, so beautiful. And look, I can hold it up and it swings without breaking. Now I'm gonna try the tiniest one. Oh, I'm so excited! Again, roll my log slightly larger than the mold itself. Squish that in. Get rid of those end pieces, don't want those. And now I get a pinch, pinchity pinch. This is the way we pinch the mold. After I've got those all pinched, I'm going to use a butter knife to cut it off this time. It's a little thinner than my palette knife. This is the way we cut the mold. Okay, it's ready to come out. I'm trying to do it to the side a little bit so my hands don't get in the way for you. Oh, this one's falling out so much nicer. Oh no, I had one that stuck again. I guess I'm going to be an expert pearl sticker. Just work it out with my finger and voila! Oh, it's beautiful. It's better than any other pearl mold I've ever made. They come in so many different sizes, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14. And I have used them all. I actually decorated a cake with them. So, is it worth it? Absolutely! In fact, if you are a cake decorator of any kind and you ever use beads, this is the way to go. If you liked this product review, give me a thumbs up so I know to make more videos like this for you. Also, if you want this product, I do have a link in the description box where you can purchase it. I do make a small commission off this, so please, if you buy this mold, buy it through me. That helps support my channel and helps me bring you more videos. Thank you. Bye. I can't remember what I said before.